Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 3. See the figure and find the ratio of A. Number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. B. Number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. And C. Number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle. Right. Next, therefore, we will first of all find the information from the rectangle. Right. That is, first we will find the number of triangles. Number of triangles. Number of triangles. What is the number of triangles? You can't count here. Number of triangle is 1, 2, right? And this one also 3. The number of triangles is 1, 2, 3. Therefore, number of triangles is equal to 3, right? Then, number of squares. Next, we will find number of squares. Number of squares. Number of squares is equal to, you have to count number of squares. That is, number of square is 1, 1, 2. Number of square is 2. Therefore, number of square is 2. Then, number of circles. Number of circles we are finding number of circles. Number of circles we are finding number of circle is 1 and 1, 2, right? So, number of circles is equal to 2. Number of circles is equal to 2. And total number of figures, right? And to all the figures, the total number of figures, total to the total number of figures, total number of figures. Total number of figures, we'll count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Therefore, total number of figures is 7, right? Total number of figures is 7. Now, we will solve question number A. Question number A is, find the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. Therefore, number of triangles number of triangles to the number of circles, ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles, and number of triangles, we find that number of triangle is 3, that is number of triangle is 3, and number of circle is 2, number of circle here is 2, that is 2, number of circle is 2. Therefore, the ratio is 3:2, right? Therefore, the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle is 3:2, right? Now, question number B. Question number B is, find the ratio of number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. Therefore, number of squares, ratio of number of squares to the total number of figures inside the rectangle. Total number of figures. That is, total number of square is 2. Here you see total number of squares is 2. The total number of square is 2, and total number of figures is 7. Here you find total number of square is 7. Therefore, 2 by 7. 2 by 7, right? Therefore, the ratio of number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle is 2:7. That is 2:7. This is the ratio, 2:7, right? Now, question number C. What is question number C? Question number C is, find the ratio of number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle. Therefore, we'll find the ratio of number of circles, number of circles, number of circles, number of circles to total number of figures in the rectangle to total number of figures, total number of figures, total number of figures. That is equal to, what is the number of circles? Number of circles is 2. Number of circles is 2 and total number of figures is 7. Right. Therefore, the ratio of number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle is 2:7. Is 2:7. 2:7. Once again, we are repeating. Here you see the number of triangles. You have to find the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles. Here, number of triangles is 3 and number of circles is 2. Therefore, the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles is 3 by 2, that is 3:2. Question B. Find the ratio of number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. Here, number of squares is 2 and total number of figures in the rectangle is 7. Therefore, the ratio of number of squares to the total number of figures is 2:7. Question number C. Find the ratio of number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle. Right? Therefore, the ratio of number of circles to the total number of figures in the rectangle is 2/7. That is 2/7. That is 2:7. This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 12.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.